Hey, Ali here from mysocially.com and welcome back to my channel. And guess what? A huge update from TikTok. You can send video replies to people in your comments. Let me show you how to do that in today's video. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this. I'm so excited about this update. So I'm gonna log right into my TikTok, and you're able to send video replies to people who are leaving comments on your content. So I'm gonna go to one of my videos right here, and let's go on the comment section, and then I'm just gonna pick any comment. So for example, this last comment right here, or actually let's just pick this one. For example, this comment right here, I'm gonna click on this, and this is what you would do to kind of reply. But look at this, that video icon. So when I click on the video icon, basically now I can create a video response to that person, and it will, so when I do that, it's gonna post that response to my profile, and it's also gonna add that response here inside this comment. And I actually did one just a few minutes ago, so let me show you right now. So my most recent video right here, so this video was, it's a reply to, look at this, it says reply to that person. It's a reply, a video reply to someone who commented on one of my previous videos, and this is what the video response looks like. So here is the actual comment, and this is my video response, and then it says reply to that person. And then if I go back to the original comment, let me go inside here. This is what it's gonna look like right here. So this was the comment, and this was my video response, and it posted here on the comment and then also on my TikTok profile, on two places. Very, very cool. Very important to know the difference. Now another thing is, so this is my video reply to the person. When I click right here on the comment, watch what happens. See comment, and then it takes me right back to the original piece of content, the original video that I posted. So it is super exciting. I think this will help a lot of like personal brands and actually also businesses build their engagement, more relationship and more engagement with their fan base. I'm super excited about this feature, and I think I'm gonna be using this a lot. All right, before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. If you have any questions on this, let me know in the comments below. I would love to read your questions and provide my insights. Thanks again for tuning in today. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye for now.